It's Maid Day cleaned over 7,000 homes in the Atlanta metro area last year. How did we get this big? I'll tell you, it's all about our people. We work hard to be the best employer for house cleaners. And because we take good care of our people, they can take great care of your home. All of our maids are certified professional cleaners by Maid Training Academy, the oldest and most prestigious online maid school in the world. We invest more in our people so you get the highest value in cleaning. Our prices are very competitive, and in just a few seconds you'll see some sample prices. If you want an exact price, click on this ad or go to our website and custom build your plan in about 5 minutes. And for a more personal touch, please call us. Our staff takes good care of you, starting with questions and prices and throughout your entire time with It's Maid Day, be it a one-time cleaning or a recurring service. Either way, you'll be glad to say it's Maid Day.